Welcome back to another video. Dennis Chamasi here with Tesla DCA Experiment. Wow, what a week we're having, guys. We have so much to talk about and so much to go over, so let's get into it right away. Before we have an update, like I always promise on a weekly basis, I just wanted to say that I used to be a really bad trader. I was overconfident, I had no trading plan, I had no consistency. It shames me to say this, but I was actually using a lot of trade signals, like following other people's trades without knowing what I was doing. I was a complete mess. I was all over the place. And I was losing my hard-earned money pretty quickly. I was really struggling with timing the market, and I quickly had to realize that time in the market was the best approach. I found that when I was comparing kind of my day trading gains versus my retirement account, which is where I'm dollar cost averaging into the account on a monthly basis anyway, because they're taking a bit of my paycheck. And then I also did research on the companies that were beating the S&P 500. And I came to the realization, I was like, why is it the case that the money that I'm actually moving, so trading with, versus the money that's in the retirement account, like the gains are completely different. I'm making more money in my retirement account consistently than when I was kind of day trading basically. And I quickly realized that, after this, I favored long-term investment. If you want to hear the story about my biggest loss that I've had trading, then definitely do hit that like button and I'll try to share it. If I get more than 30 likes on this video, then I'll share that. It's quite embarrassing, but I feel like someone can learn from this. So back to the experiment and the update that you've all been waiting for. So guys, we are finally green. Bum, bada, bum, 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 bum. Okay, so on the monthly one, we're up 4.74%. And on the daily one, we're up 9.25%. So that's quite good. Is this just euphoria after everything that's happened this week? Let's have a look at the charts just to see if there's anything that we can see there. So like we talked about last week, Tesla had hit the resistance and was kind of tracing backwards towards the support that we can see here. So we spoke about that this was gonna break it and that we were gonna stay in this channel, and we can take this away now. And we had a massive rally, as you can see here. What do I think is going to happen? Hopefully we break this, right? It'll be kind of some news again because we're closing at an all-time high. We hit this point before, but you can see that we retraced back on a day, but now we actually had a close that was an all-time high close. So that's quite fantastic. Obviously, again, what I want to happen, I want to trace back, and so we can load up on some more shares, as I say all the time. Now to the comment of the week. This week's winner is KBM Bliss. I really like the comment when they were saying, right on, DCA in, hold long horizon, don't FOMO. I always used to FOMO before, that was one of the bad things as well. Trading for gamblers, believe in the Tesla mission. So he's talking about kind of the longevity of something, and yeah, I think it's fantastic. That's kind of the mindset that I want everyone to have. I'm just trying to share my experience, and I hope somebody can learn from it as well, but that's what's been the best for me. Okay, so now on to the news of the week. If you missed it, Tesla had a 5-to-1 stock split, and you can look at this video over here if you want to find out more about it, because I go through all the kind of the benefits of a stock split and kind of what it means for the stock. So I was doing some research on some Tesla news, and quite interestingly, analysts from Morgan Stanley and Bank of America, they used to be so bearish on Tesla before, but they've kind of changed their tone now, haven't they? They actually are more bullish than ever. And it had me thinking, like, why are they so late to the party? Do you think that they're just like downgrading stuff so that they're buying all the shares up in the background? What do you guys think? And I'm actually gonna do a video on a company that's called ARK Invest. Cathie Wood has been calling Tesla since way back, having a price target of $22,000 US dollars. And I'm gonna talk about that in a different video. Now, is $22,000 per share still in the play? S&P 500 inclusion, is this still happening? Are we still hyping things up before that? What's really going on? That's all for this episode. I've said everything that I want to say. Thank you so much for coming to the channel, and I hope I get to see you in the next one. Thank you.